Everything scatter, scatter. We are not happy. Imagine a lot of graduates, they are roaming about, graduated about 5 years back, 3 years back. No job. What are we talking about? Imagine a key tomato will formerly sell 15 naira before, it's now 150 naira. What are we talking about? Our graduates are roaming about, they look like as if they did not go to school. Those that learn work, they don't have no job to money to establish. What are we talking about? Everybody should leave us alone. And you leave us alone. Make it go, don't too much for us. Leave us alone. Can you go back to see us before? Can you must go?
Of the killings, enough of the molestation. Let him go.
Airport, we'll go block airport. You understand me so? Because all those people, they do like say they do no pass. What did they do so? Buhari, when they go talk to that man before 24 hours today. Because then on Monday, may step down.
We dey go for that Buhari work.
Now from this side you move. Huh? From this side you move.
No wahala.
No wahala.
No standing here. No standing here camera. Hello?
This situation of Nigeria move this so it's good for everybody. We dey suffer am. So we talk about it, may come back to us. I beg, may beg with the beg and I beg with the beg.
Okay.
Okay, look.
Come on,